Shalom, my friends. I'd like to tell you one of my favorite Thanksgiving stories that does not involve Squanto. Once upon a time, it was Thanksgiving at Larry Fine's house. His wife, Mabel, and his sister-in-law were fighting about who gets to serve the turkey.
I told you it's my turn to carve over my dead body!
As they fight, struggling back and forth, the whole roast turkey flies straight through the air from the kitchen, over the table, and lands perfectly right in front of Larry.
Let go.
No, you... Oh, dinner is served. Well, would you look at that? Lucky break.
Larry takes his fork and his knife and he says, "Dinner is served."
Set. Dinner is served.
Hey, Larry. Listen. You got it.
Please omit the rest of the entertainment and continue.
A tarantula. What's the matter with you? My children! Oh! A field mouse! Stand back, it's liable to bite you. Tarantula shot 5 holes in a divot. Get out of here. Go on. Wasted 5 good slugs in it.
I'll sue you for this.
Oh, superstitious, eh? Oh, vice-eye kid.
Ow! Ow, my nose!
Hey, you're in a court, not in the woods, Tarzan. Cut it out. Come on.